Hey everyone. So I want to put this quick demonstration of the PNX framework out just to answer some of those questions about, what can PNX do? PNX being the Plan and Execute AI framework released earlier this week. So what we have here, what we're looking at on screen is a empty CRM I put together just to demonstrate some of the functionality. You can see here we've got leads, accounts, invoices, products, templates, and it's completely empty. So let's start populating it using an AI agent. So first thing I want to do is create a product, which will then move on to try and sell through this system. So if I just verbalize to the AI agent what we want, hello, can you create a product called Guardian Remote Worker for me, please? It's a cross-platform app that connects remote workers with 24/7 monitoring centers, ensuring their safety. Once you've done that, add a note to the product stating that Joe made this with AI. Thanks. So that's going to transcribe my speech, send the text over to PNX, which is then going to create a plan for an agent to step through, complete all those steps until the plan is done. Okay, there we have it. So it's created the product in there and it's given me a short summary about what it's done. It looks like it's added the description. Nice. And it's added the note down here at the bottom to say, what I asked it to say. Okay, so let's move on to creating an account for it to attempt to sell this product to. So I'll type this one to show that you can also just send text if you want. See what you can find online about the company, Corin Data and Systems, and use those details to create an account for it. Let's send that over. And so this time, the agent is going to use some additional tools like a Google search tool that are also part of the PNX tool package. Okay, great. So it looks like it's given us some of a rundown, a summary of what it's done. It looks like it's found Corin online. So let's go over to accounts and see. Yes, it has found Corin. It didn't populate anything this time. So what I'm going to do is just put in my email address and save that. So often it will include the industry tags, general tags, and the description. That's something, of course, I can fill out afterwards. So now let's ask it to create a sales email template for Guardian Remote Worker. And let's see, I've got some more text rather than me just speaking. Can you create an email template that will be for cold email outreach? Base it off the Guardian Remote Worker product. So what I expect it to do this time is read the product information in the database and then generate some sort of sales email from that. Okay, looks like it's done. I've created the email template. Let's go over to templates and take a look. There it is. Boost productivity and safety with the Guardian Remote Worker. So we're excited to introduce this. You can see it's used the description from the product. So, if you really fleshed out your product descriptions, you can use that text to influence the output of the models. Okay, that looks great. We've got some tags in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just best regards, the Guardian team, something like that. We'll save that. Okay, so finally, let's ask it to email the account Corin Data and Systems that we previously populated. Okay, can you send the Guardian remote worker, let's say, just can you send the template via email to Corin Data and Systems account? So I'm not going to give it the email address. I'm expecting it to go and find out what that address is. Okay, I've just heard my inbox ping, so let me see if I can change the window capture to that inbox. Hello. Dear potential client, best regards the Guardian team. So you can imagine sending this template out to all my contacts or all my accounts with this tag, monitoring center in this instance. And hopefully you can see how powerful the PNX framework can be to create tools and agents that can take actions, useful business actions in the real world, and not just be this question answer chatbot. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and there'll be more demos coming.